Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll talk about Bicolana singer-songwriter Ed Otis' reimagined version of Sampung Mga Daliri, a heartbreaking folk pop track in collaboration with SB19's Justin. Let's dive into how this childhood rhyme was transformed into a song about love, loss, and letting go. Who would have thought that counting could be so heartbreaking? DWTA and Justin's collaboration on Sampung Mga Daliri transforms the beloved nursery rhyme into a soulful folk pop ballad. The song explores the painful realization that the one you once loved is no longer yours to hold. Debuted at the 10th Wish Music Awards last January 19th, their performance showcased the song's dreamy, lullaby-like melody paired with its emotional and evocative lyrics. Ed Otis' ethereal voice blends seamlessly with Justin's grounded tones, creating a duet that mirrors the journey of love and loss. During a pre-release TikTok live, DWTA shared that the song was inspired by a friend's film class in 2023. She reworked the children's rhyme to reflect her personal experience, adding emotional depth to the final version. DWTA and Justin agreed that Sampung Mga Daliri perfectly suited their collaborative vision. Justin, known for his love of lullaby-style music, found the arrangement aligned with his creative style. The song allows both artists to showcase a vulnerable side of their craft, resulting in a heartfelt piece that resonates deeply with listeners. DWTA continues to explore the stages of relationships in her DWTA series, Magkaibigan, and Sampung Mga Daliri, represents the pain of separation and letting go. Excitingly, the duo has teased an upcoming music video and a mini-series inspired by the song. What are your thoughts on this reimagined version of Sampung Mga Daliri? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on your favorite artists.